What's going on, guys? So I think this is like part 7 now of the Audi build. So today we got assigned a task. We need to go to Rona first, and then we need to go all the way to Etobicoke to deliver it, because we're gonna get rid of that ugly Audi molding on the bottom of the door, because that's really stopping me from putting the side skirts on, and I don't really want to make them out of custom metal because that would just cost too much. I got a budget kind of going right now. So yeah, today we're gonna go find the perfect piece of plastic to cover them. I got the dimensions. Oh, I need a measuring tape before we head off, and then stay tuned. So let's go to Rona right now. So these are all wood or some type of material. We need plastic, so gotta keep the hunt going. So I found this bad boy, which kind of looks like it would work. I think that it's just a little bit thicker than I want, but I think it could work. But the only thing is, it's a little bit shorter than I think what we were getting. So I need to keep looking to see if I can find something exactly like this, but a little bit thicker. So after having no luck with finding some PVC plastic that actually costed $200, body shop guy was like, that's not worth it. So we're gonna go home with these long PVC square things. They are just a little bit too short for the size, but they're 10 bucks each, so I'm gonna try them anyways and maybe it could work. But let me show you the PVC plastic. Plastic sheets with my lucky number on it. But damn, bro, look at these prices. $225, 80 bucks, where is it? 80 bucks for the ones I would have needed, because I need the thickness. So we're gonna try these out and see how that goes. So we are at spot number 2. After seeing those ridiculous prices, we are going to Burmer Plastic. So apparently they're a plastic fabrication. We're gonna go. I don't think we can get custom cut today, but if I can just buy a sheet, that would be perfect. So we'll see how that goes. Dude, I just walked in and he had them ready, custom cut and made for me and everything. Okay, 5-star reviews, I got you, bro. 5 stars. I literally just walked in, he knew who I was, and he's like, here you go, custom made to cut. Saw it was already on. Ah, shit. Okay. Let's go. Shout out you guys in Burlington, Ontario. If you need anything plastic done, right here, especially for cars. Damn, what a homie. What a homie. 5-star reviews. I already sent it, already submitted it. Go check him out on Google. Beautiful. Oh, saved me $200. You guys saw that. I still bought those pieces for $8 because why not? But I don't even need them anymore. Damn, let's go. Thank you so much. Thank you. Make sure you guys, I'll put his page on here so you guys can check him out. Grateful. Thank you. Oh yeah. We are at the shop right now. Gonna tell them the good news with the custom pieces. Jeez. Custom rebar to fit the bumper. Hey, how beautiful. Damn. So it'll fit like perfectly there. Oh, we got that patched up too. Damn. So these pieces are gonna be going here, right there on the side of the car. It will get rid of those ugly rubber strips. And I'll probably make a video a little bit better so that you guys know the process as well. All right, so let me show you from this guy, because the mechanic's not here yet. Essentially sits here. So perfect. Look at this ugly rubber. Perfect. Here, actually, let me show you guys a better example. Scratch my wrapper. So this will sit right there like that. Look at that. That's a better example. Perfect. Oh, that sits nice. Beautiful. And then the side skirts will go over this, and then this will get wrapped. So just while we're here, we gave them a couple more things to do. So recently they did the thermostat is in there somewhere. Look at this custom cut and mounted rebar. So if I ever want to take my bumper off again, I just have to unscrew these 3. So holy. Apparently I need a new light switch. Yeah, right here. Burnt. No coolant tank yet, but I gave him new fluid. Oh, she's gonna be so beautiful. I haven't posted any of these videos, but once you watch this, I will, because I didn't want to reveal it. That's why I'm taking so long. I have about 3 videos ready to go. So let me just show you quick. So this is what we brought. We brought some oil, some coolant, oil filter, new coolant tank, fuel filter, and some other goodies, you know. It is home time. So he was very, very happy with the pieces we got. We're taking home our old bumpers now since we no longer need them. Might put them on the wall or something. A little memory. I guess we can return those other pieces. Oh, without the rebar, these are so much lighter. Which obviously makes sense because the rebar is like 40, 50 pounds.